Share free H11-828-ENU dumps questions online today. When you decide to choose online resource to prepare for H11-828-ENU HCIP-UC Huawei Certified ICT Professional Unified Communications exam, you can check H11-828-ENU free dumps to make sure which one is the best. Question number 1. About the values of Syn Data State synchronization status between the primary and standby nodes, which of the following statements are correct? Multiple choice. A. Idle indicates that the data is synchronized. B. First indicates the first full backup. C. Routine indicates the idle state and that no data synchronization is performed. D. Unknown indicates that the primary node is not connected to the standby node. Answer B. D. Question number 2. Which of the following components provide the directory interface for eSpace Mobile? Multiple choice. A. BMU. B. eServer. C. M. D. App Agent. Answer C. D. Question number 3. Which of the following components provides the status presence function? A. BMU. B. eServer. C. M. D. eSpace meeting. Answer B. Question number 4. In a multi-node centralized call management network, when local node is connected to the central active and standby node, the SIP trunks and the office route selection codes are automatically created after a distributed network is configured. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Question number 5. About a multi-node centralized network, which of the following statements is correct? A. U1981 cannot function as a branch node. B. All types of users on the local node are synchronized from the central node. C. On the central node, you can view the information about the licenses of the central node and local node. D. The number of users on a local node that register with the central node cannot exceed the number supported by the license. Answer D. Question number 6. The administrator can add information about an enterprise user on the BMU. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Question number 7. Which of the following statements is correct about self-service? A. You need to use the administrator account to log in to the BMU. B. You need to use the self-service account to log in to the BMU user interface. C. The default URL for logging into the self-service page is https://bima IP address 18/H3. D. The directory information can be modified through self-service. Answer B. Question number 8. An enterprise has two U1981s working in active, standby mode for discover recovery, and the config modify switch wait time 10 command is executed on the standby device. One morning, the active device was faulty at 9 o'clock, and recovered at 9:05. At this time, A. Services were automatically switched back to the active device immediately. B. Services can be switched back to the active device only after a switching command is executed manually. C. Data generated during the period when the standby node took over services was automatically D. Synchronized to the primary node after the services were switched back to the primary node. Answer A. Question number 9. Which of the following statements are correct about mobile rich media functions? Multiple choice. A. Rich media include pictures. B. Rich media include audio clips. C. Rich media include video clips. D. eSpace Mobile can send rich media to eSpace Desktop. E. eSpace Mobile cannot send rich media to eSpace Desktop. Answer A, B, C, D. Question number 10. In the eSpace-UC solution, at least network adapters must be configured for the eSpace audio recorder in a single node system. A. 1 B. 2 C. 3 D. 4 Answer B. Question number 11. About the local regeneration call source of U1900 series unified gateways, which of the following statements are correct? Multiple choice. A. The purpose of configuring the local regeneration call source is to implement the local regeneration function for local SIP users. B. The purpose of configuring the local regeneration call source is to implement the local regeneration function for local POTS users. C. The local regeneration call source is configured on the primary node. D. If the local node has only SIP users, the local regeneration call source is not required. Answer B, D. Question number 12. A group customer deploys two U1981s in active, standby disaster recovery doctor mode and deploys a U1960 in both branch A and branch B as the local gateway. One day, due to the carrier network fault, the U1960 in branch A cannot detect the heartbeat of the active and standby U1981s, but the heartbeat connection between the U1960 in branch B and the active and standby U1981s is normal. In this scenario, which of the following statements is correct? A. Remote disaster recovery doctor will be triggered. B. Local regeneration occurs on the U1960 in branch A. C. Local regeneration occurs on the U1960 in branch B. D. Nothing will happen. Answer B. Question number 13. What are the possible causes when eSpace Desktop fails to initiate an instant conference? Multiple choice. A. The account does not have the right to hold instant conferences. B. The data conference license has expired. C. The client function parameters are incorrectly set in the eServer configuration file. D. Related parameters in the data conference configuration file are incorrectly set. E. The Unified Gateway (BMU) and data conference server are not time synchronized. Answer, ABDE. Question number 14. The soft console has the service features. Multiple choice. A. Barge and forced release. B. Corporate directory. C. Incoming call queuing. D. Message leaving. E. Night service. Answer, ABCE. Question number 15. What is the function of the SIP server in the eSpace audio recorder solution? A. Store the recording server parameter settings and recording data. B. Support number registration and call connection. C. Interact with the unified gateway and send messages for starting and stopping recording to the recording server. D. Centrally configure and maintain the recording server, and configures and manage recording server parameters. Answer, C. Question number 16. About the multimedia conference service, which of the following statements are correct? Multiple choice. A. The voice conference resources are provided by the unified gateway. B. The conference control function is provided by the data conference server. C. In a peer-to-peer network, the conference access code for a data conference can be the same on each of the unified gateway. D. When you schedule a conference, the number of participants can exceed the upper limit supported by the license of the unified gateway. But the number of concurrent online users in conferences cannot exceed the license's upper limit. Answer, A-B. Question number 17. Our routers provide flexible slot combinations. 2 SIC slots can be combined into one WSIC slot. 2 SIC slots and the WSIC slot below can be combined into one XSIC slot by removing the guide rail. A. True. B. False. Answer, A. Question number 18. When adding users with non-UC rights on the BMU in batches, the user accounts fail to be added and the system displays a message indicating that the number of mobile client users exceeds the maximum value specified in the license. Which of the following methods can be used to solve the problem? A. Revoke the mobile client rights of common users. B. Add users with non-UC rights one by one. C. Ensure that local authentication is enabled on the BMU. Answer, A. Question number 19. In a scenario where the R provides the local regeneration function, a call fails. During the fault locating process, to identify the calling and called number information before and after the number change, obtain the debugging information of the module. A. CCM. B. Intertrace. C. SIPMSG. D. DSS1. Answer, A. Question number 20. Before configuring a prefix of the local call attribute on a U1900 series unified gateway, the system will ask you to configure a prefix of the national toll call attribute and a prefix of the international toll call attribute. A. True. B. False. Answer, A. Question number 21. In external network access scenarios of the eSpace-UC solution, eSpace-UC clients, for example, eSpace Desktop, on external networks finally register with the to implement the voice function. A. eServer, B. U1900, C. SBC, D. MA. Answer B. Question number 22. An enterprise requires high system reliability, so servers, for example, eServer, must be deployed in two-node cluster or load balance cluster mode. In this scenario, the servers can be deployed in the Windows operating system of Standard Edition. A. True. B. False. Answer B. Question number 23. In the eSpace-UC solution, eSpace Desktop needs to communicate with the queue multiple choice. A. server, B. eServer, C. D. Unified Gateway. Answer ABID. Question number 24. In a distributed disaster recovery network, SIP users on the local node select the as the SIP server preferentially. A. Local node, B. Primary node, C. Standby node. Answer B. Question number 25. Which of the following statements are correct about a multi-node centralized network? Multiple choice. A standby device can be deployed on the central node for redundancy backup. B. U1911 can function as the central node. C. Any U1900 model can function as a local node. D. U1981 can only function as a local node. Answer A, B, C.